Would you believe me if I told you that just 2 minutes a day could completely transform your body? Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that millions of people around the world are already experiencing incredible results with just one simple exercise? An exercise that doesn't require fancy equipment, an expensive gym membership, or hours of your time. In fact, all it takes is 2 minutes of commitment every single day. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, at home, at the office, or even in your bedroom before going to bed. But before you think this is just another overhyped fitness trend, let me warn you, once you start this journey, you'll never want to stop. Because in just a few weeks, your body will begin to transform in ways you never imagined. Your abs will get stronger, your back pain will start to disappear, and your posture will improve. Not to mention, your metabolism will skyrocket, helping you burn fat even while you're resting. Sounds unbelievable? Stay with me until the end, because by the time you finish this video, you'll be rushing to drop down and start planking. Let's dive in and uncover what happens when you do a plank every day for 2 minutes. The results will truly shock you. Why is planking so powerful? The plank is often called the king of core exercises, and for good reason. It's deceptively simple, yet one of the most effective full-body exercises out there. At first glance, it looks easy. You just hold your body in a straight line, balancing on your elbows and toes. But anyone who has tried planking knows, it burns. It challenges every muscle in your core, legs, and arms. But why is it so powerful? Unlike traditional ab exercises like crunches or sit-ups, the plank engages your entire core muscle group without putting strain on your spine or neck. This means you build strength without the risk of injury. Plus, it works multiple muscle groups at once, giving you maximum results in minimum time. But the real magic happens when you do it every single day. What happens to your body when you plank every day for 2 minutes? Let's break it down. The first few days might feel tough. You might start shaking, your arms might feel weak, and your core might burn. But if you push through, something incredible starts to happen. Week 1. The struggle phase. The first week is when most people give up, but not you. At this stage, your body is adjusting. You'll feel soreness in your abs, shoulders, and legs. Holding the plank for 2 minutes might seem impossible, and your body will tremble as you try to keep steady. This is completely normal. It's your muscles waking up, engaging, and getting stronger. But here's where the magic begins. Your core starts activating like never before. You're working your rectus abdominis, the transverse abdominis, and the obliques, all at the same time. These muscles are the foundation of a strong, toned, and athletic physique. If you push through this initial struggle, you'll already start noticing small but powerful changes. Week 2. The strength phase. By the second week, something amazing happens. You feel stronger. That trembling from week 1? It's less intense now. Your core has started adapting to the challenge. Your posture is improving, you're standing taller, your lower back feels more supported, and even your shoulders seem less tense. And here's something you might not expect. You start feeling more energized throughout the day. That's because planking is activating your metabolism, increasing blood flow, and releasing endorphins, your body's natural mood boosters. And guess what? Your abs are starting to take shape. Week 3. The transformation phase. This is where things get exciting. By the third week, your body is visibly changing. Your waistline looks slimmer, your stomach feels tighter, and even your arms and legs seem more toned. The best part? You're burning fat even when you're not working out. Because planking engages multiple muscle groups at once, it boosts your metabolism for hours after you're done. That means you're melting belly fat just by committing to those 2 minutes a day. But it's not just about looks. Something even more important is happening inside your body. Week 4 and beyond. Unstoppable strength and confidence. By the 4th week, planking isn't just something you do, it's a part of you. Holding the position for 2 minutes feels effortless, and you may even challenge yourself to go longer. Your core is solid, your back pain is gone, and your overall body feels strong and capable. Your metabolism is working more efficiently, and you feel energized and confident every single day. At this point, you'll realize that something so simple, just 2 minutes a day, has completely transformed your body and mind. And the best part? This is just the beginning. Why most people fail and how to stay consistent. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but will I really be able to stick with it? Here's the truth. Most people fail not because planking is too hard, but because they give up too soon. They get frustrated when they don't see results instantly. But let me tell you, consistency is the secret. The first few days might be challenging, but once you push past that, you'll start craving that daily 2-minute plank. Here are some tips to make sure you never quit. Set a reminder. Do it right before brushing your teeth or right after waking up. Make it a habit. Use a timer. Watching the clock makes planking feel longer. Instead, set a timer and focus on your form. Challenge yourself. Once you hit 2 minutes comfortably, try new variations like side planks or lifting one leg. Track your progress, take photos every week, and you'll be shocked at how much your body changes. The key is to show up every single day, because the transformation is worth it. So now you know, 2 minutes a day can completely change your body, your health, and your confidence. No matter your age, no matter your fitness level, planking works. It sculpts your abs, strengthens your back, tones your arms, boosts your metabolism, and even improves your posture. So, what are you waiting for? Drop down, start planking, and take the first step toward a stronger, healthier you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this transformation. Let's spread the power of just 2 minutes a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong.